Do or Die Game 3 ng NCAA Season 99 Juniors Basketball Finals abangan bukas sa GTV. Narito ang report.
We're not done yet. I thank the boys, they fight. Hindi ako magaling, si God ang magaling. To God be the glory.
Naging emosyonal ang head coach ng Perpetual Junior Altas na si Geoff Cleopas matapos silang tablahin ang serye ng NCAA Season 99 Juniors Basketball Finals laban sa defending champion Letran Squires 91-90. Pero di tulad ng kanyang lungkot noong natalo sila sa Game 1, tears of joy naman ang dumaloy sa Game 2.
I told them, you know what guys, alisin ko na yung galit ko dito. But I want you to fight. Let's just play basketball, dive the ball, go hard, and we'll see kung anong talaman ko.
I really appreciate the competition ng kabilang team. So it was hats off to them. They played well today.
Yung Game 1 po, hindi ko po parang bagsak po yung katawan namin, parang hindi po namin alam anong nangyari nung Game 1. Kaya naman po namin sana nung Game 1. Nung Game 2, parang pinag-usapan po namin lahat, nag-huddle po kami na laban na po, ito na po, wala na pong bukas.
Mula now or never para sa Perpetual sa Game 2 sa darating na Sabado. Do or die para sa kampyonato ang dalawang koponan.
Iba yung puso ng mga players ngayon. Sabi ko, alam kong sobrang lakas talaga ng Letran. And it's just a blessing today. And then I don't want to say that we're gonna take that Game 3, but God only knows that.
Sabi ko lang naman sa kanila, it's just a test. So nanalo kami ng Game 1, nanalo yung Perpetual ng Game 2. So parang pinasarap lang.
Huwag palagpasin ang Do or Die Saturday ng NCAA Season 99 Juniors Basketball Championship, Sabado, March 23, 9:30 ng umaga, live sa GTV.